Okay guys, today we're going to be talking about my business strategy to grow my videography business over the next couple years. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and checking out some of the other videos that I have. So I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube like how to build a successful business and how to start a business, but all the people who make those videos are usually finished with their business, they're successful, they've already done it, which is good, but there's not a lot of videos starting with the person at the beginning of their journey of building their business and building their brand. So that's my plan. I'm just going to take you guys along my journey of starting my own business from scratch, what my plan is over the next couple years to hopefully get my business off the ground. This isn't like scientific or anything. I'm just going to be telling you guys the steps that I'm taking, so hopefully you guys can learn something and be inspired to start your own business. So first off, if you're starting a videography business, you obviously need a camera. I think it's really important that you get the gear that you need and start practicing and learning the skill and developing that for however long you need so that you can provide your customers with good videos and photos. Step number 2 is building a website and a brand. So I'm using Webflow to build my website. I'm not going to show it to you guys at the moment because I haven't published it yet, but as soon as I publish it, I will definitely post a video to my channel, giving you guys the link and stuff so that you guys can check it out for yourself. I think it's super important to build either a portfolio or a website so that potential clients can go see the kind of work that you do, determine whether they want to hire you or not, and then contact you through that website. For my own business, I haven't quite decided yet, but I'm leaning towards Kelp Productions as the name for my business. Once you get your brand set up, that brings us on to the next step, which is getting clients. I know personally this step's probably going to be the hardest for me, but I know an architect, and I'm going to start photographing and videoing his buildings for him, and I'm hoping that by doing that, all the other people he works with will see that I'm a photographer and videographer and will start hiring me. Another step I'm going to take to getting clients is to go out to small local businesses, coffee shops, things like that, and offer to photograph or take videos of their building or whatever it is for them for free, and then hopefully they'll refer me to other people. And then in the future, if they need any more videography services, they can hopefully come back, contact me, and hire me to do that job. Another way I'm going to be promoting my business is actually through my YouTube channel. So I'm going to be posting probably videos if I do any like work, posting like a behind the scenes video, things like that, reels, anything related to my business so that hopefully I can get some work through YouTube as well. Well, that about wraps it up, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. And I'm hoping to make a few more videos on this series of starting my business, updates and things like that. But feel free to subscribe, drop a like, and go check out some of the other videos on my channel.